Now at this time, you can start preparing your mango salsa. I already have some pre-cut right here, but I'm going to show you a cool trick. Okay, this is how I cut it. So I go really quick. I cut the mango. Look how pretty. Look how beautiful that is.
Gorgeous.
So I'm going to start just creating like, little slits here so we can get that cubed mango look. And it's really, really fast. So the salmon also cooks really fast. So you also have to be on your toes. Look at that. Look at that.
Oh, wow.
Beautiful.
Okay, so now,
That's cool.
beautiful. There you go. So then now the easiest way is just to spoon it out. Just like this.
You make it look so easy. You're a pro. Right? I mean, I love that. I love that pairing, the mango salsa with the fish.
Oh yeah, this is the way my kids eat it. This is the way I get my kids to eat it, actually. Okay, so now I'm gonna grab just a little bit of minced garlic. Okay, cubed cucumber, diced purple onion. Now we're gonna get a splash of the apple cider vinegar, some green lime. There we go. Some cilantro. And this is really beautiful. It's like so colorful. It's so vibrant. Perfect for summer. Perfect for
fun.
Summer.
Yeah, it is fun. And kids will love it.
All right. Has it been 2 minutes? All right. So look, I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you. So go in fast, okay? There we go. Look at that. The skin did not stick. All right. So now we're going to flip it. Flip. And there we go. So now we're going to cook it again for another 3 to 5 minutes. And that's really up to you, how long you want to cook it, how raw, how well done you want your fish. I like mine a little crispy. So it's that simple.
Oh, yeah.
And then this way, especially in summer, you get to cook your fish outside. You don't get that smelly odors in your home. And then, it's a win-win. It's a win-win for everybody.
So do you have a final dish reveal? There you go.
I do.
Oh,
Look
yeah.
at this. Look at this. Beautiful.
Oh, well, now, Jenny, you've got to say the L word for us. You got to let me hear it.
Y listo.
Yes.
Listo. Well, Dr. Ish, we should try this recipe. Your backyard or mine?
Hey, listen. We'll figure that out.
On mine. I have plenty of room.
I'm all in for that.
To check out Jenny's tips and tricks for grilling, go to our website at thedoctorstv.com.